It seems Insta360 is prepping for a new drone, something that looks a bit like Hover Air, foldable, lightweight, and easy to carry. Before the Antigravity A1 was officially revealed, images appeared showing two different Insta360 related drone prototypes. One appeared to be related to what eventually became the Antigravity A1, while the other was a much smaller and more portable design. That smaller Insta360 drone has actually been rumored for quite some time. We first saw what appeared to be a compact prototype back in 2025, and now a new image has surfaced showing a white version of a very small cage-style drone. While it looks a little different at first glance, the angle makes it difficult to tell exactly how the propeller guards are arranged. It could simply be the same basic design in a different color, or an older or newer prototype. What's interesting is that this isn't just based on leaked images. Insta360's parent company has also patented a compact folding drone design. The patent shows a small drone with protected propellers and folding arms designed to make the whole aircraft more compact when it's being carried. And when you look at the patent, the earlier prototype and this new image together, there are some pretty clear similarities in the overall low-profile design. We also have another important piece of information. Reports earlier this year indicated that Insta360 was planning to launch a second drone in 2026 following the Antigravity A1. And the timing could be pretty interesting because DJI has dominated the US consumer drone market for years, particularly when it comes to small, sub 250 gram drones. But with the regulatory situation around DJI becoming increasingly complicated in the US, there's potentially a much bigger opening for Insta360 and others. What we don't know yet is what camera this drone will actually use. There's been speculation that Insta360 could turn it into a smaller 360-degree drone, but the available evidence doesn't confirm that. It could just as easily be a conventional camera drone focused on portability, autonomous shooting, and quick aerial shots. There's also no confirmed name, price, or launch date yet, so while this new image doesn't tell us everything about Insta360's upcoming drone, combined with the earlier prototype, patent, and reports of a second drone planned for 2026, it does suggest that Insta360 is working on something much smaller and potentially much more affordable than the Antigravity A1. And if Insta360 can bring its camera technology and AI features into a drone this small at the right price, it could be entering the market at a very interesting time and potentially give DJI some serious competition. For now, there's still a lot we don't know, but if Insta360 gets the price and features right, this could be a very interesting DJI alternative. Let me know what you think. Peace.